In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view epics in your Kanban board, especially if epics are not showing in your Jira Kanban board. Navigating Jira can sometimes feel a bit overwhelming, but with these simple steps, we'll have you viewing your epics in no time. First, let's start by heading over to your project within Jira. Once you're there, locate and click on the backlog section. The backlog is where you'll manage your stories, tasks, and yes, your epics too. This area provides an overview of upcoming work items and typically features a list organized by priority or planned execution. After you've opened your backlog, you'll notice there's an epic drop-down menu available. Clicking on this drop-down is crucial because it provides different viewing options related to your epics. If your epics are not currently visible, it might be because the viewing option is turned off by default, so this will help you adjust the settings. Now, let's make sure the epic panel is showing. To do this, toggle the setting Show Epic Panel to On. This action will reveal a panel on the left-hand side of your screen dedicated to epics. It includes a list of currently active epics, making it easy to track these crucial pieces of work. If you prefer a quicker route, there's a handy keyboard shortcut you can use. Simply press the letter E on your keyboard. This shortcut allows you to toggle the epic panel on and off with just a single keystroke. This can be especially useful for power users who value speed and efficiency in their workflow. These steps ensure that epics are always at your fingertips, so you can effectively manage and prioritize them within your Kanban board. Having your epics visible allows you to maintain a high-level view of your projects, ensuring nothing important falls through the cracks, and supports better team communication and planning. Jira configurations sometimes can get changed without notice, whether by new team members or updates, so it's a good practice to regularly check your settings, especially if something isn't appearing as expected. By following these steps, you can easily reassess your settings and guarantee the visibility of your epics. That's it for today's guide on how to view epics in your Kanban board should they not be visible in Jira. With this knowledge, you're now prepared to keep your project timeline running smoothly and effectively. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let us know and feel free to dive into other guides for more handy tips and tricks for Jira. Thank you for watching and happy project managing.